Yo, still alive, still cranking. The build is alive and well. I have not had 2 seconds to sit down and edit a video. I apologize for not getting something out to you guys. I have a ton more product information for you. I have a bunch of scheduling information for you guys, different change order issues that we've gone over. Right now, I'm here with my man Luigi. We're going through all the paint colors. Yes, paint is going on the walls. We're prepping for final inspections. And I've had the production crew here filming the full TV show for TheBuild TV. I'm absolutely thrilled with the progress. I'm just super bummed I haven't been able to put out videos on a weekly basis. Once we finish the insulation and put the sheetrock up, I have had a million questions directed at me. I've been capturing all the content. I've got a ton of notes down. I'm gonna be sharing all of this with you guys, plus the series coming out in the new year. So stick with me. There's a lot of great stuff going on. But for now, enjoy a few little shots of some of the stuff that we've got finished. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm really trying to build that channel up. I feel like it's the best place to house all these videos. When the series comes out, I'm going to be able to embed other links that send you to deep dive videos, that send you to vlog content from the main episodes, so that everything is fully explained throughout the entire build process. Thank you guys again. I'll see you real soon.